So I'm going to go over the FlexDay Fitness Assessment Tracker for those of you who might have missed the Google Meets meeting today. But this is something you're going to do every Friday. We will do these together during class, so hopefully you can make it every Friday for sure. So what you're going to do, you're going to take four different tests. The first one is the push-up form, or the push-up test. So before you start, just watch this. It's about a 1-minute video just to make sure you're doing the proper form. And then you're going to set your timer for a minute. Count how many push-ups you do in that minute. And then you'll go up here on December 4th and record how many push-ups you did. The next test is the squats. So quick, watch the body squat video so you're doing these properly. These are great exercises for your leg muscles, your butt muscles, but if you're not doing them properly, you can do some damage to your knees, and if you're not doing them properly, it won't really do your muscles any good. So watch that video and then do those for 1 minute. Record your score on December 4th. The third is the sit-up test. So watch the video on how to do the correct form for sit-ups. Set your timer for a minute and then record your score for the sit-ups. The last one is a run. Excuse me. So on your run, you're going to set up a course. Your course should be about 1 mile long, or you can also do a half a mile. And then you're going to time yourself how long it takes you to run the mile, or if you choose the half mile. When you are done, check the time. Hopefully you can take your phone with you the first time so you know how to map out the mile. And then you can time yourself, write your score, how long it took you to run that mile or half mile. So your goal every Friday is to up your numbers. Or for on the run, you're going to decrease your time. So that is what you're going to do for every Friday. So if you weren't here online today, make sure you get these done. Any questions, please email me. And this flex form should be in your Schoology folder. And once you open it, it will always be in your Google Drive folder. So next Friday, if you can't find it, it will be in your Google Drive folder. All right, thank you and have a great day. Great weekend.